let's solve this problem by the addition method as well. Well, first of all, I can't do that right away. There are no variables, terms, that when I add right now are eliminated. But if I remember some of the things about equations, whatever I do to one side of the equation is fine as long as I do it to the other side of the equation. So wonder if I can maybe multiply a number by both sides of the equation that might get me to where I'm going to. I see a 5y here. Certainly it would be nice if I had a negative 5y in the first equation, and I can do that. I can do it by multiplying through by a 5. So let's just imagine, I'm going to multiply, or not imagine, let's actually do it. Multiply that top equation by a 5. What I'm going to do is, again, I want to write the entire system out. 5 times a 3x, 15. 5 times a minus 5 gives me minus 5y, gives me a 55. So multiplying that first equation, and I have to remember my rules of multiplication when I multiply through, gives me the same line. It's just a factor of 5 times bigger. And then the second line, I'm just going to rewrite it just the way it is, because there's nothing that needed to be done with that. But like I mentioned before, I like to keep the systems together. System here, same systems. This one has just been manipulated a little bit, but I want to keep my work clear. And again, as we practice these, I hope you start to see why this is a really good strategy. Now it looks like I can add. And by adding, I think I can eliminate my y's. X's together gives me a 17x. Y's are eliminated. Gives me 68. X equals 4. Wow. Okay, I think that was easy. It can't really be that easy, can it? And then I take this 4, and remember, I can substitute or back substitute it into any equation that I had. I can do it here, or I can also do it up here, because those were the same equations that I had as well before. So I'm just going to look for where one of the easiest ones to do. And it looks like maybe this might be one of the easier ones. So 2x plus 5y equals 13. 2 times my x, which we discovered was 4, plus 5y equals 13. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 5y equals 13. Add the 8 to both sides, or add a negative 8 to both sides, gives me 8. Yep, sorry, it gives me 5. And y equals 1. And then I have a solution set of the coordinate point 4 and 1.